Look at the Brazilian influence. You would think we are indigenous, but we aren't. We are still in our normal group. Here we are back after Satire, which is what is typical for our country. Here comes the people to defend Villanova's right to have its own hospital, I think. This is for what our country here is like, usually. Groups of people passing by with a more or less political message. Here they come, all the nurses who, as the rest of Villanova, have to make do with a hospital which we have in